So yeah, that's what happened yesterday, and this day it's day two of self improvement. Actually, I got no videos at all, so I'm just gonna talk about it. For now, I'm just gonna learn how to trade because I'm 17 years old, and my birthday will come to March 20 next year for about 6 months. So 6 months, huh? So I just wanna drop shipping this time, but I can't because I'm 18 below. So I just can't because I have no license, everything about card, or I can sign up for the PayPal because I don't have yet a driver license. Of course, yeah, consuming something like that, useful trading.